fabulous women. Welcome to a brand new year on this channel. Here we are all about inspiring women to embrace timeless luxury and live a sophisticated life through elegant fashion and lifestyle. This year I will be sharing content to help you uplift your life with practical tips, inspiring ideas and simple strategies to live beautifully. If that sounds like the kind of journey you want to join, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notification so you never miss a moment. It's so wonderful to have you here as we kick off a brand new year, 2025. I love the energy that comes with the start of a new year. It's the perfect time to reflect, reset and start creating the life you've been dreaming about. And to help you get started, I have created a free downloadable 2025 life planner. You will find the link in the description below. This planner is your guide to setting goals, staying focused and making this year truly unforgettable. This video is all about simple, practical steps you can take to improve your life in 2025. If you want to feel more confident, bring more balance into your daily routine, or start working towards a big dream, this is your chance to make it happen. Let's discuss 5 powerful steps you can start today. Step number 1, the power of self-reflection. Let's start with something so simple yet incredibly powerful. Self-reflection. Before you can make any changes, you need to know where you stand. Take a moment to ask yourself, what I am proud of from last year? What didn't go as planned? What am I ready to leave behind in 2025? Reflection isn't about focusing too much on mistakes or being hard on yourself. It's about learning and growing. Think of it like checking the map before starting a journey. You need to know your starting point to figure out the best path forward. For example, maybe last year you struggled to find time for yourself, and this year you want to create more balance. That's great. Write it down because clarity is everything. Grab a journal and write down 3 things. What you are proud of, what do you want to leave behind, and your dreams for 2025. I would love to know what's one thing you are ready to leave behind this year. Let me know in the comments. Step number 2, designing your vision for 2025. Now comes the fun part, dreaming big. What does your dream life look like in 2025? Maybe it's traveling to beautiful destinations, feeling confident every day, or finally achieving that big personal goal. Your vision is your blueprint for the year, so let's make it inspiring and exciting. One way to stay connected to your goals is by creating a vision board. This can be a physical board with magazine cutouts or a digital board on Pinterest, for example. Fill it with images that represent the life you want, pictures of places you would like to visit, outfits that match your style goals, or even quotes that inspire you. Place it somewhere you will see it every day, like your desk or as your phone wallpaper. The idea is to keep your goals in front, so you are reminded daily of what you are working toward. For example, if your dream is to travel more, find photos of the destinations you want to explore and add them to your vision board. If it's to feel healthier and more vibrant, include images of fresh meals or people enjoying, for example, yoga. Whatever your vision, make it personal and meaningful. Step number 3, taking small, consistent steps. Big dreams are exciting, but let's be real, they can also feel overwhelming. That's why breaking them into smaller, actionable steps is so important. Think of it this way. Instead of saying, I want to get healthier, break it down into daily actions like drinking more water, adding more veggies to your meals, or walking for 15 minutes a day. Small, consistent steps lead to big results over time. Consistency really is the secret here. You don't have to be perfect, but you do have to keep going. Even if it's just one small action a day, it's progress. For example, if you are working on your wardrobe this year, start by decluttering one drawer or researching timeless pieces you would love to invest in. Little steps like this keep you moving forward without feeling overwhelmed. And a tip for you. Use a planner or simply a checklist to track your progress. Write down one or two small tasks you will focus on each day or week. And don't forget to celebrate your wins. Step number 4, building a positive mindset. Let's talk about mindset, because this is where real change starts. How you think about yourself and your life shapes everything. This year, commit to focusing on positivity, gratitude, and choosing quality over quantity in everything you do. For example, instead of feeling like you need to buy the latest trend, focus on what truly brings value to your life. Spend time with people who uplift you, invest in things that bring you joy, and prioritize experience that align with your values. And let's not forget the power of gratitude. Every day, write down one or two things you are grateful for. It could be as simple as a good night's sleep or a kind word from a friend. Gratitude shifts your energy and helps you see abundance in your life. For me, one thing I have started doing is keeping a gratitude journal by my bedside table. Before I go to bed, I write down 3 things I'm thankful for that day. It's such a calming way to end up the day and keeps me focused on the positive. Step number 5, embracing wellness and balance. Finally, let's talk about wellness, because feeling good is the foundation of everything. This year, make it a priority to take care of yourself, physically, mentally, and emotionally. That doesn't mean you have to change your whole life. Start small with 1 or 2 habits you can stick with. Maybe it's drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning, creating a skincare routine that feels luxurious, or setting aside 10 minutes a day to meditate or stretch, for example. Balance is about finding what works for you and sticking with it. Remember, wellness isn't about being perfect, it's about progress and consistency. And a tip for you, pick one wellness ritual to try this week. It could be anything, a new face mask, a walk in nature, or simply going to bed 30 minutes earlier. These little acts of self-care make a huge difference over time. And that's it, ladies. These are the 5 steps to start building a life you love in 2025. These steps might seem simple, but they are so powerful when you put them into action. Remember, it's not about changing everything overnight. It's about showing up for yourself every day, even in small ways. Don't forget to download the free 2025 Life Planner in the description below. It will help you stay on track all year long. And I would love to hear from you. What's one goal or change you are excited to work on this year? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more. Let's make 2025 an amazing year together. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.